Emergency!
What is up, and welcome back to Cajun Towboater Reviews. My name is Bo, aka the Cajun Towboater, and today we are doing the reviewing the Power Rangers Lightning Collection S.P.D Wave 2. And like I said in the last S.P.D wave, they didn't come in a wave altogether. It's just I have all the S.P.D figures released so far, so I'm doing them in 3 waves. So in this one, we will be doing the S.P.D B and A Squad Blue Rangers, the 2-pack. And we will be doing the S.P.D Omega Ranger and the Uniforce Psycho. So I do like this. I actually got this on Amazon whenever it went for really cheap. I think it was like 35 bucks. I got that, and I think I ended up getting these from Amazon as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the boxes. We'll check out this one first. So you got that old artwork, but there's no plastic window or anything. Got the side, the artwork, same on this side. And you got the back where it shows the Lightning Collection, the Lightning effect hand, and the unicycle. I'm interested to open this up and check it out. Never opened it up before. It's still all taped. Alright, and the A and B Squad Blue Rangers. So you got that artwork on each side. And then you got the back, and it shows them. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get this over to the desk, take them out of the box, check them out, check out the articulation and the accessories. But first, cue the intro. Alright, y'all, and here they are out of the box, and I'm really glad that I got that Uniforce Cycle out of the box. I love it. It looks amazing, and the Omega Ranger sits pretty well on it. So let's go ahead and check their accessories. So the Omega Ranger comes with this. Don't know what this little tiny thing is. It doesn't give me a description of it. Looks like a communicator. I haven't watched S.P.D in years. Comes with one left hand, and his right hand comes with a lightning effect. They're both left hands. And his other left hand comes with, so it comes with 2 left hands, and they both one's without a lightning effect and one's with a lightning effect. And I noticed that his gloves, this is just the Psycho Ranger gloves in white with the lightning effect on it. That's all it is. I'm not sure if that's how his gloves looked on the show, but that's all this is. It's just a repaint of the Psycho Ranger's gloves. So the blue S.P.D A Squad Ranger comes with his gun, his blaster, an extra pair of hands, his fisted hands, and his lightning effect. And I notice it doesn't match him, it's green. And the B Squad Ranger comes with his baton, closed and open forms, lightning effect, extra pair of hands, his morpher. I guess this holds the morpher / badge, or is it like this? Sorry. Alright, there you go. And it comes with his blaster. And here is his helmet. So let's go ahead and get them off the shelf, look for any imperfections, and check out the articulation. Just give me a few moments. Alright, y'all, and here they are off of the turntable, and we're going to start looking for any imperfections and checking out the articulation with Sky. So let's go ahead and check out this. I'm not seeing any imperfections. Everything does look good. So let's check out his articulation. So if you can look up this much, you can look down that much. He's got butterfly joints. His shoulder joint's a little stiff, but he can do a 360. He's got double jointed pinned elbows. He can go up this much. Alright. Get that straight. He's got bicep swivels. His hand can do a full 360 at his wrist. Can't go up or down because of this wrist collar, whatever you want to call it, bracelet, whatever's on the sleeve. Got ab and a stiff torso crunch. Torso and a stiff ab crunch, sorry. He can split this much. He's got a thigh swivel. He can kick out this much. He's got a boot swivel, ankle pivot. His foot can go down that much, can go up this much. He's got double jointed pinned knees. Alright, and that is it for Sky. So move this right here, and we will check out the A Squad Blue Ranger. So he can look up this much, he can look down this much. Sorry, I forgot to check for any imperfections. A little bit of paint run. The paint's kind of overrun a little bit, but that seems to be the only thing. Silver on here is kind of overrunning a little bit as well on the boot, on the shin guard. That seems to be the only imperfections I see. So he's got butterfly joints. He can do a full 360. Arm goes up that much. He's got pinned double jointed elbows. Stretch that back out. His hand can go down this much, go up that much. It's amazing that his hand can go up or down even with these cuffs, but yet Sky's can't. So he's got an ab and torso crunch, bicep swivel. He can split this much. Got thigh swivel, boot swivel. Foot can go down that much, can go up this much. He's got an ankle pivot, got double jointed pinned knees. Alright, and that is it for the A Squad Blue. Now let's check out Sam, the Omega Ranger. He doesn't come with a civilian head because he just turns into a ball of light. So let's see. I do love the shape of his helmet. Alright, can look up that much, can look down that much. Got butterfly joints. Can rotate at the shoulder. It's got bicep swivels. Got double jointed pinned elbows. There you go. Alright. His hand goes down that much, go up that much. Alright. One thing I like about his morpher, can do this. So does have that little articulation. It's got a ab and torso crunch. You can split this much. It's got a thigh swivel. Kick out this much. Foot can go down that much. Can go up that much. Got an ankle pivot. It's got a boot swivel. It's got double jointed knees. That's it for the Omega Ranger. So let's check out the cycle. Alright, so this does go up, and it does roll. This does roll too. Doesn't stand up by itself. It does stand up by itself, but it can roll like that. And you got it. You have it standing like this. The Omega Ranger can stand by it or sit on it, and it will stay up. You got to, in order for it to kind of stay up, you got to kind of lean it forward a little bit. But I do like this. So that is it for the S.P.D Wave 2. These three figures with the little paint imperfection right there on the S.P.D A Squad blue A Squad Ranger. I'm just gonna take off 0.5. It's some run over that could have been fixed, but all the other ones, all the other two look good. That cycle does look good. So I'll go ahead and I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10 as a whole. I like them. I'm really glad that I did start collecting all of the Lightning Collection. So if you still collect Lightning Collection, or you don't, like, comment, subscribe, let me know why you stopped collecting. Let me know what keeps you collecting them. I'm just a Power Rangers fan. I like Hasbro, and I'm a nerd. I like collecting. I like reviewing for y'all. You can search Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Twitter for The Cajun Towboater, and you can find me on there. If you want to message me, I will answer on Instagram or Facebook. You can search Two Old Cajuns Nerd Out as mine and Cajun Toy Reviews podcast. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Just overall, thanks for everything. And
thanks for coming out.